here are my supplies. I have a spray bottle. I have a clay tray. And I have a regular about 4-inch clay pot. Now I'm gonna set it right here. And I have some rocks for decoration and some crosses. These are optional. And I have a pail of dirt. You will need about 5 to 6 cups of, this is regular potting soil. And I have, last but not least, the tomb stone. So that will be set right in front of the tomb. So it's gonna look like this. And I leave about 1 inch behind the tomb so I can grow grass all the way around it. And then these are decorative. Again, you don't have to use them, but I kind of like it to make it look like I have a prairie look. And so I'm going to now put the dirt on. And as you will notice that these are pretty dry. So when you put it on, it's gonna just come off. It's gonna come right off of the tomb. So what you have to do is you have to wet it as you are laying it, so it can stick better. So as you're laying it, you stick it. Or if you can get your dirt wet ahead of time, that would also help. I'm not measuring here, but you will be needing about 5 to 6 cups of dirt. So I just put it all the way around, a little bit in the front, not as much as the back. And then I put a little more here. And I'm just spraying water everywhere. In fact, the wetter the soil, the easier it is for your seeds to sprout. So I'm going to put a little more and then we should be good. As you can see, I'm trying to kind of like stick it on with the water. Stick the dirt onto the slope. So getting wet is key here. Okay, I'm pretty much ready. So I just have a little bit more. So this is about 1/4 cup. I just continue to pile it on to the dirt, try to spread it evenly, and don't worry about you know, certain areas being a little thicker than others. It's bound to happen. And it looks like there's a lot of seeds you're putting on, but a lot of them may not end up sprouting, so it's okay to do the extras. So that's what I usually do. And when you're done laying them, you just put a generous amount of water on it, spray, 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 and then as soon as you see it dry, you just keep spraying. So you can just leave it on your kitchen counter or somewhere in your room, table or anywhere, and just keep somewhere that you can easily see it and spray it. So that would be good, and that's it. Oh, last but not least, these are the crosses. So I use them as decorative items because when this the seeds all sprout, it's very green, and then you have the 3 crosses, the 2 thieves, and Jesus, and voila, that's it.